Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to restart your Roborock Q5 Max Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Restarting your vacuum is different from resetting your vacuum. So to do a simple restart, at the top of your vacuum, you'll notice you have three control buttons here. Front and center, we have the power button. This is going to be how you're going to reset your vacuum. You're going to hold the power button down.
Turning off.
And you'll get that voice prompt, turning off. So we'll let it turn off, then we'll go ahead, we'll turn it back on, and that's gonna be how you can simply restart your Roborock vacuum. So now we'll go ahead, it's turned off. We'll press the power button, the lights illuminate. Then you'll hear a startup chime after a couple of seconds, and your vacuum is all set and ready to go.